Thank you from GHH again for collaborating with Pacific Unity. We're really looking forward to this program. So our program is based on heavyweight machines, especially on hydraulics and electric. So we developed a three-level program. The first level is about e-learning and learning the basic knowledge in electrics, hydraulics, safety and environment, and some vehicles. And the second level will bring you to an advanced level where you can maintain and safely work on the vehicles. And the third level is the expert level. So we are looking on a big field of different kind of courses in canvas, electric, hydraulics, mechanic. And after our program you will be able to work not only in mining sector but also in construction, agriculture and, for example, recycling industry.